Hey guys, I am going to show you how to upload the 7th and 8th grade math that Sarah Evans and her posse have been working on over the summer. I need you to upload the first 5 weeks. It'll go through week 5. So once you've joined my class, you have to make a copy for your own class. You can't just stay in my class, you have to copy it over. So once you've created your own class, and you will go to classwork and see this create button. You'll click on create. You'll go down to reuse post. And then you're going to see all these files. So what I'm going to want you to do is scroll down to the bottom because these are files from the district, but you're going to be looking at files that I've already uploaded. And if you start from the bottom, that will put them in semi-order. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and I am going to upload rational and irrational numbers. It says number 7 right here. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to go right here and click reuse. And I'm going to go up here to the right corner and it's either going to say assign or post. So I'm going to click post. And then you're going to see that that landed in week 2. Now, when you look at week 2, you're going to notice that these are not in order. All you have to do is click on them and put them in the correct order. The district has worked. Oops, I didn't grab that. Let me click on that again and pull it up there. So I am putting it in order. So that you can get them in numerical order for week 2. It will upload to the right week. You will just have to place it in order. So I need you as pre-work for our focus next Wednesday to upload the first 6 weeks. That's what Sarah's asked us to put out there. So I figured I'd make a video to show you that it's a little time consuming, so don't get frustrated if you've been working on it for more than 45 minutes. So, but all you're uploading is all the files that I have in the Thompson 7th or 8th grade math Google Classroom.